It's granola restock day. We are never without homemade granola in this house. So if you saw my previous video where I actually made the granola mix, you know that I make a huge batch of it and then I put half of it in the freezer for the next go round. Now we're out of granola, so I pulled this bag of oats and nuts and coconut out of the freezer, and we're gonna just have to make the liquid and mix it all together and bake it. All the proportions and measurements are in my recipe on my website. I am eyeballing this, and I'm starting with some coconut oil that I'm gonna melt. I'm gonna add some maple syrup, and then we're just gonna add some vanilla, a pinch of salt, pumpkin pie spice, some cinnamon. Okay, so everything's melted. It does not need to boil. You just need the coconut oil melted. And normally I would do this in a bowl, but I don't want to dirty a bowl. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mixy mix, get it all smushed around, make sure it all gets wet. And then I'm gonna pour it onto a baking sheet. Just make sure we've got everything mixed. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350, and I usually give it a stir about halfway through. I am taking it out of the oven, and when it cools, I'm just gonna put it in an airtight container. If you want the full recipe, just Google GrownupDish high protein nutty granola. Follow GrownupDish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.